What's up, you guys? It's Zach here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you exactly how you can make money no matter what the economic situation is, using something called arbitrage. Before we get into this video about arbitrage, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Arbitrage is when you're able to buy something at a lower price than what it's selling at in a different area. So, for example, if I'm on the west side and I want to buy a bicycle for $100, but it's selling on the east side for $150, I can buy that bicycle at the same exact time, grab it from the west side, take it to the east side, and sell it for $150. That's a very simple example. So arbitrage is a great way to make money, and that's how a lot of businesses are successful. One way that's been making a lot of money for people is drop shipping. They buy things off of AliExpress, Wish, Chinese manufacturers for a couple dollars and sell it for more on their websites. For example, you can buy cheap products on there, market them on your own website for more money, and sell them directly from AliExpress or Alibaba to the customer. So something that's been trending for many years now is people are setting up Shopify stores, which is a website where you create your own store and you list products on there from AliExpress, and these products are costing you maybe like $3 for a bracelet, and then that bracelet that's $3, you list it on there for $10. And whenever someone buys that bracelet through your website, you just link your credit card info, buy that bracelet for $3, but ship it straight to their address, take the 10, pocket the 7. That's an arbitrage opportunity. Another one is on Amazon. You can look for products at Walmart, and if you notice that you scan the barcode and look for the prices that that product is selling for on Amazon, if you see it selling for more, you can buy a ton of those products from Walmart and sell them onto Amazon.com. That's an arbitrage opportunity. Now, personally, I've been very successful at this. I've been able to buy a lot of things off of the internet, especially cars, and sell them for more money just based on simple arbitrage. This is like a hack of life that I think everybody should do in their free time. If you're bored and you want to buy something that you like, okay, I love Honda Civics because everybody wants them. They're cheap and affordable and generally reliable cars. So what I would do is go on Craigslist, and I wanted to buy a Honda Civic for myself. So I would look at the prices and I would look at the market value using apps like kellybluebook.com and look at the value of the car. Generally, it has to be between the trade-in and the fair value. That's the price I want to pay, and I'll look at what it's being listed for. And part of it is going there, negotiating, figuring out how can I get the car for XYZ price, and feeling them out. And eventually, once you know the car is good, you inspect it, you buy it, bring it back, sell it for more. Or you can drive it for a month or two, enjoy it, and then sell it for more later on. But either way, that's an arbitrage opportunity, and these opportunities present themselves all the time. Remember, you can do it. No matter what the price is, high or low, you are valuable, and you have the power to accomplish whatever it is that you want. So you can see these opportunities, take advantage of them. It's there. There's no reason why you shouldn't be doing this. So there you have it. That's what arbitrage is. Take advantage of it, and subscribe for more videos like